Welcome back to The Exchange. When you think short format, quick laughs, or a fun dance to learn, you think TikTok. It's estimated that the social company will have 755 million monthly global users this year, and its market share in social networking topping 20%. But our next guest says don't count Meta out just yet. The behemoth is on its way to digital short dominance. Joining us now is Youssef Squali, managing director at Truist. Youssef, this is not what the market seems to think right now. We can't see TikTok's valuation, of course, but Meta's has certainly been clobbered.
Exactly. Thanks, Kelly, for having me again. So our basically contention is obviously since 2016 when Douyin, which is the parent or the Chinese version of TikTok started, to today, where it generated by 2021 something like $20 billion, with roughly 20% of that outside of China. The others, honestly, were asleep at the switch. They were all caught flat-footed. But starting in 2020, i.e. a couple of years ago, we started to see really aggressive moves by Facebook, or Meta in particular, first initially with Instagram, and last year with Facebook, the Blue app. We've seen YouTube with their shorts starting to aggressively pursue this opportunity last year. We've seen also Snap with their earned version, Spotlight. And so the takeaway here is after only a short 1 to 2 years of the American social players trying to catch up, we're seeing some real traction in first user engagement.
Yeah.
So by the end of this year, we think Facebook is going to be close to a billion users. And over time, i.e. starting literally this year, monetization is also starting to come to catch up.
I mean,
so by 2023, we estimate that TikTok will cede the king position to Meta.
Wow. You think that Meta, let's just call it Instagram, because I have a hard time believing it's anything that. You think Instagram's going to dethrone TikTok next year?
So it's between Instagram and the Blue app, if you add them both. But within the two, we think Instagram is going to account for about 2/3. So maybe Instagram by itself will not dethrone TikTok, but if you add both and basically aggregate Reels, volume Reels revenues, we do believe that within the next 18 months, i.e. by the end of 2023, maybe early 2024, Meta should become the number one player outside of China in short form video.
And
yes.
Listen, any pressure, TikTok right now with this whole issue about whether it's actually storing data on those Oracle servers or not, and further clamp down would, if it truly clamps down on usage or access, obviously would help Meta. What do you think the shares would be trading at if everyone felt the same way you do about its potential to dethrone TikTok next year?
Well, so that's a hard question to answer only because there are a number of pressure points, right? You have the macro issues, you have user privacy issues, you have metaverse investments. And those are real issues that Meta continues to, kind of struggle with, have to explain away, et cetera. The fourth issue, competition, we're saying shouldn't really be on everybody's mind as the top issue because we're seeing positive traction there. So if you kind of put that aside and just focus on the others, look, the stock today is trading around 6-7 times EBITDA, trading around 12-13 times PE, and this is effectively GAAP PE. We think that's really uber cheap. Our price target is literally double where it is right now, where it's trading right now. So maybe you take a 30-50% discount to that, and you're still justifying at least a 50% jump in the stock over the next 12 to 18 months versus where it's trading today.
It's fascinating because this would be stories all over again, obviously, where Instagram copied stories from Snapchat, had great success. It would maybe help or hurt Facebook's dealing with regulators, though. I mean, that's been the story for the past several years. So do we want them to succeed in this or not? Is that success a sign of its dominance? I mean, it seems like both things can't be true at the same time.
Well, look, I mean, there's no, you can't hide the fact that Facebook still or Meta has 70% market share of social spend, right? But then Google, within search, they have 95% market share. So to the extent that they're not necessarily discriminating against competitors or making it hard for smaller players to compete, it's really hard for the regulators to come after it. And to your point, and it's a really important point, up until now, TikTok has really seen very, very little regulatory pressures. Under Trump, we saw the beginning of that, and then that went away. If it comes back, then I think the regulators are going to be all over TikTok because there is even less visibility into the algo of TikTok. There's less visibility into what TikTok is doing with the data, et cetera. So relative to the two, certainly as an American, you value or you want a Facebook or Google to keep doing better.
It's fascinating. I mean, if anything ever did really happen to shut down TikTok, the careers and fortunes that would be at stake, they'd have to migrate quickly to Meta, or like you said, I think you're bullish on Snap as well, to some rival.
It's not a theoretical exercise, right? Because we've seen that happen in India. We've seen it happen in Pakistan. We've seen it happen in a half dozen countries where TikTok is still basically where TikTok has been removed from the Google Play Store and the Apple App Store. So it's not just theoretical. It could happen.
Youssef Squali, she said. Thank you. Really appreciate your time today. Thank you.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.